Alright, so something's happened to your home or apartment. Maybe it's water damage. Maybe it's a break-in. Maybe it's a kitchen fire. It's stressful, I get it. Take a deep breath, and let's walk through what to do to file a homeowner's or renter's claim. Step 1. Make sure everyone's safe. If there's a fire, get out. If there's flooding, get out. Call emergency services. Don't try to handle it alone. Once safe, document what happened. Grab your phone. Take clear photos and videos of all the damage. The more details, the better. Don't throw anything away yet. Your adjuster might need to see damaged items in person. Step 2. Review your policy. Find out what's covered. Check your deductible. Note any filing deadlines. Log into the company portal. Or open their app and find the claims section. Can't find your policy? Call your agent for help. Step 3. Contact your insurance company ASAP. File online. File through their app. Or call over the phone. Provide photos. Provide videos. Provide a list of damaged items. Provide receipts. Made emergency repairs like boarding up a window? Keep those receipts too. Step 4. Meet with the adjuster. Adjuster inspects the damage. Walk them through everything. Show your documentation. Answer questions honestly. Have a home inventory? Share it now. Don't have one? Do your best to remember lost items. Step 5. Keep track of everything. Save emails. Save claim numbers. Save notes from phone calls. Follow up if you're unsure about your claim. Stay organized. It helps speed things up. Once your claim is approved, review the settlement carefully. Make sure it covers what you expected. If something seems off, ask your adjuster to explain. Recap. Stay safe. Document everything. Review your policy. File your claim. Meet with the adjuster. Keep records. It's a lot, but you've got this. Your insurance is there to help you get back on your feet. Thanks for watching. I hope you never need this info, but if you do, you'll be ready.